Next, this is skill A, getting the main idea, reflection. So this is my reflection, is getting the main idea. This skill is all about identifying the most important point or message that a text is trying to convey, whether it's a paragraph or an article or a full story. Being able to determine the main idea help us understand the purpose and meaning of what we are reading. So this is my expectation before I learn getting the main idea. At first, I thought that finding the main idea would always be easy. I expected that it would just be found in first sentence or in the title. I also assumed na palaging obvious ang main point ng text, but when we started doing more practice, I realized that it's not always that simple, especially when the writer give us a lot of details or when the text is long. And for example, and the next is what I did not know. I didn't know that sometimes the main idea is not directly stated. You have to read between the lines, observe patterns, and combine several clues to figure out what the author is trying to say. I also didn't know how important it is to separate the main idea from supporting details. That day, or before, I would list down all the facts or sentence I found interesting, but I wasn't sure which one was really the main point. So this is what I have learned in skill E, getting the main idea. Now I've learned how to look for topic sentence, especially in informative text. I've also learned that in narrative text, the main idea might be more hidden, and I need to look at the overall theme or message. I also understand that the main idea answers the question, what is the text mostly about? Using strategies like summarizing, highlighting keywords, and asking myself questioning while reading has helped me a lot. Now I know how to identify not just what the text is talking, but also what the author wants to learn or feel. So this is my improvements, no? Yes, I definitely improve in this skill. For example, if we have a reading task, we were given a long article with a lot of example. Before, I would have focus on the small details, but now I was able to summarize it into one sentence that captured my main idea. And so in conclusion, mastering the skill of getting the main idea has helped me read more efficiently and with better understanding. Now I know how to focus on heart to text instead of getting lost in the details. This skill is useful not just in school reading, but also in every life, like understanding new articles, message, or even conversation. But I'll keep practicing in this skill to become a better and smarter reader. And that's all for my reflection and skill E, getting the main idea.